Yellowstone by Ruby Wheeler. In this movie, you will learn about Yellowstone's geothermal features. In this movie, you will learn about the 4 geothermal features that Yellowstone has. They are mud pots, hot springs, fumaroles, and geysers. Yellowstone National Park is located in the northwestern part of Wyoming. Yellowstone is a national park that is famous for its geysers and hot springs. Yellowstone is a huge tourist attraction. Mud pots are the most acidic out of all the geothermal features. The acid decomposes the surrounding rock into clay and mud. Fumaroles are holes in the ground that allow sulfur to come out. The holes are too small to let the water erupt out of it. Geysers are holes in the ground that erupt hot water. Magma heats up water underground and builds pressure for the water to erupt. Geysers can reach temperatures up to about 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Geysers are different shapes and sizes. Beehive geyser is a good example because it is the shape of a beehive. When geysers erupt, the water can reach very high. The water can reach to more than 100 feet into the air. Old Faithful Geyser is the most popular geyser. Old Faithful erupts about every hour and a half. Old Faithful erupts its water higher than any other geyser in Yellowstone. The plumbing stem is what builds the pressure up in order for the geyser to erupt. The plumbing stem keeps the steam building up underground, and when the pocket gets full, the geyser erupts. Hot springs are pools of water that can reach to more than 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Morning Glory is the name of this hot spring. Hot springs have an acid in them that lets off sulfur. Sulfur is a chemical that hot springs contain. If you were to go near a hot spring, sulfur very much smells like rotten eggs. In this picture, there is a boy stepping in a hot spring with steam coming off his shoes. The picture is actually a warning sign. Hot springs are so hot they can burn your skin off. There are some things that can bear the extreme heat. They are a type of bacteria called extremophiles. They live in hot springs and they do not die in the heat that hot springs can reach. Here is what an extremophile looks like under a microscope. They form colors in hot springs. Extremophiles make yellow, red, blue, green, and many other colors according to the heat. In 1959, an earthquake erupted. The earthquake was measured as 7.1 on the Richter scale. Many people were killed, and the town was ruined. The Yellowstone caldera was formed after the earthquake and caused many problems because of the magma building up underground.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the movie and learned something new.
The slide decorations were from Tidal FX. The movie was made on Explain Everything. I found the information about Yellowstone on Safari, and the thank you page was made by Telegami.